Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Redmi Note 11 Pro and 11 Pro 5G. Please mind that this video is only for the Pro versions of the Note 11. So if you just have the Note 11 or Note 11S, then this what I will show you right now in this video doesn't work for you. I will create in the next days also a video for the Redmi Note 11 and Redmi Note 11S. But this video will be only for the Pro version. For inserting the SIM cards here at the Pro version, we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool. And it's part of the box, and there you will find this little white box here. It has been on the top of the phone. And if you open it, you will have here this SIM ejection tool. So just flap the wings like this to remove it. Oops, okay. Otherwise, by the way, you can use also the edge of the good old paperclip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find now down the phone the SIM tray. And the part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there. And now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paperclip. Just enter the hole here of the SIM tray, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. So in this SIM tray, you're able to insert next to the main SIM card, also if you want, a second SIM or a microSD card to extend the internal storage. Okay, let's start now with the first SIM card. By the way, what's SIM 1 and SIM 2? It's always written here on the metal plate here. So let's start now with the first SIM card. So just place it like this. So missing corner here on missing corner. And as you can see, the contacts are on the top. Okay, just fix it well, no? Then you will hear a little click noise. And if you want, you can add on the other side a second SIM card. Just place the second SIM then like this. Also insert it well. And there's also a missing corner of the SIM card, of course, and also a missing corner here at the SIM tray. So this is how it should look like. Missing corner on missing corner then. And the contacts here are on the top as well, as you can see. In case you have a microSD card, you can't use a second SIM card. So let me remove it here. And we need the full space here for the micro SD card. Just insert it well until you hear the click noise. And this is how it should look like then. Also, the contacts here are on the top, as you can see. Okay, and after, if you finish it, you can put your construction into the phone. The first SIM card is always head up to the display. So close it well. And that's it. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or may just subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.